Hey there, today I am going to be doing a request I got. Someone asked me if I could talk about the tickle in my nose while a build-up is happening, so I will be doing that today. So let's get started. Okay. The tickle. It's coming. It's coming. That tickled. I didn't really have much time to really say much about it. But yeah, it really tickled. It's oh, this one might be a little hard for me to do. It tickles, but I think once I got a couple sneezes out of the way, I think I could do it better. Okay, now I think I can do it better. Oh, yeah, the tickle, it's growing, it really tickles. Oh, it feels good, but it tickles. Okay, another tickle is coming. It tickles. Oh, it feels good, but like before it tickles. Okay. Okay. I'm tickling my nose. Okay, the tickle's starting to grow. It's starting in the back of my nose, and it's when I feel a sneeze coming on, it's like it starts at the back of my nose, and then once it gets like in the middle, that's when I let it out. Or I should say that's when it comes out. But who suggested this video idea? I hope you like this, and I'm doing the best I can, but it's a little tricky for me to talk and build up, but I'm doing the best I can. I think I did a little bit better once I got the first couple sneezes out. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. So yeah, I feel like once I got the first couple sneezes out, I'm able to do it a little bit better. Oh, it tickles. It's coming. So yeah, who gave me this idea? I love this idea, and I hope you enjoy this. I wasn't sure if I should mention your name in the video. I didn't know if you wouldn't like that, or I'm not sure, so you have to let me know. And if you give any more requests, just let me know if you want me to mention your name in the video, because I wasn't sure. I guess some people, don't like that, but if you don't mind, then that's fine. Or if you do mind, that's fine too, but I wasn't sure. I just didn't want to cross a line. Oh man. And I hope everyone else is enjoying this as well. And again, I like this video idea. I think it was a great idea. I really like it. And I hope you all are enjoying this as well. Oh,